Imagine you just bought a used car, but something feels off. The mileage doesn't match the wear, and you're left wondering what's real. Whether you're a mechanic, car dealer, or enthusiast, having the right odometer correction tool is a game changer. Today, we're revealing the 5 best odometer correction tools for all cars. Precision, reliability, and seamless adjustments at your fingertips. Searching for the perfect 5 best odometer correction tools for all cars? Look no further. With so many options out there, the choice can feel endless. That's why we did the homework, researching deeply, reading countless reviews, and hand-picking the top mileage correction tools from trusted brands. Watch this video till the end to discover your ideal pick, and don't forget to check the description box for all product links. Let's dive in. Our first pick is Autel Scanner Maxicom MK08S. Imagine you're cruising down the highway, music up, windows down. Then, out of nowhere, that dreaded check engine light flickers on. Panic? Not anymore. With the Autel Maxicom MK08S, you can diagnose, troubleshoot, and fix problems before they cost you time and money at the repair shop. This isn't just another OBD2 scanner. It's a professional-grade vehicle health monitor in your hands. Packed with bidirectional control, the MK808S doesn't just read trouble codes. It actively tests components like windows, wipers, mirrors, and injectors, ensuring everything works flawlessly. Need an oil reset, ABS bleeding, or battery registration? Done. With 28+ advanced reset services, this scanner is your on-the-go mechanic. Speed matters. And the AutoVIN feature identifies your car instantly, scanning all ECUs and detecting issues 5x faster than traditional scanners. No more wasting time with complicated menus. Just plug, scan, and solve, all from a sleek, Wi-Fi-enabled touchscreen. Mechanic-level diagnostics without the mechanic price tag? Yes, please. Take control of your car today and never let a warning light stress you out again. Our next choice is Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner. You're cruising down the highway, your favorite song playing, and suddenly, boom, that dreaded check engine light flickers on. Panic sets in. What's wrong? Is it serious? Instead of guessing or bracing for an expensive mechanic bill, the Innova 5610 OBD2 scanner puts the power in your hands. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY car enthusiast, this scanner is your ultimate tool to diagnose, troubleshoot, and fix vehicle issues with precision. With bidirectional controls, you can actively send commands to test components, from turning the fuel pump on-off to retracting the electronic parking brake. No more guesswork, just real-time, actionable insights. Need to check live data for your engine, ABS, SRS, or transmission? The Enhanced Data Stream feature lets you monitor advanced systems with dealership-level accuracy. The best part? Free updates, no subscription fees, and wireless connectivity via the Repair Solutions 2 app. Backed by ASE-certified support, this code reader and reset tool ensures your car stays in peak condition, saving you time, money, and stress. Your car deserves the best diagnostics. Are you ready to drive with confidence? At number 3, we are now talking about Launch OBD2 Scanner CRP129X. Picture this. You're on a long-awaited road trip, cruising down the highway, when suddenly, your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Panic sets in. Is it a minor issue or a costly disaster waiting to happen? With the Launch CRP129X OBD2 scanner in your hands, you don't have to guess. You know. This power-packed diagnostic tool puts dealership-level technology right in your hands. With 12 advanced reset functions, including injector coding, ABS bleeding, and throttle adaptation, you can diagnose, reset, and fix issues before they drain your wallet at the mechanic's shop. Equipped with AutoVIN for instant vehicle recognition and massive 72 brand compatibility, this scanner works seamlessly with almost all 1996+ vehicles up to 2025, including diesel, gasoline, SUVs, and light-duty trucks. The multiple PID's live data stream lets you track oil temp, RPM, air-fuel ratios, misfire data, and more, giving you a real-time pulse on your car's health. And here's the best part. No subscriptions, no outdated tech. The lifetime Wi-Fi updates ensure you always have the latest features, fixes, and compatibility expansions. Forget expensive diagnostics. Take control. The Launch CRP129X isn't just a scanner. It's your car's personal health monitor, your time saver, and your peace of mind. Are you ready to diagnose like a pro? Grab yours today and never second-guess your car's condition again. Our fourth pick is Xtool D7 Bidirectional OBD2 Scanner. Picture this. You're about to hit the road when, bam, that dreaded check engine light pops up. Is it just a loose gas cap or something serious? Do you rush to the mechanic and brace for a costly bill? Not anymore. With the Xtool D7 Bidirectional OBD2 Scanner, you hold the power of a professional-grade diagnostic tool right in your hands. This 2025 upgraded version isn't just a scanner, it's a dealership-level diagnostic powerhouse in your hands. Equipped with 4,000 plus active tests, bidirectional control, and 36 plus reset functions, the Xtool D7 lets you command your car's systems, test fuel injectors, recalibrate the throttle, or even activate the AC clutch, all with a tap. The AutoVin and AutoScan feature instantly identifies your vehicle, saving you hours of frustration. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this scanner ensures faster diagnostics, accurate reports, and real-time data analysis for over 10,000 vehicle models worldwide. Plus, with 3 years of free updates, a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, and a user-friendly Android 10 interface, this isn't just a tool. It's your ticket to stress-free car maintenance. Why guess when you can diagnose? Get the Xtool D7 today and drive with confidence. Now finally, we will discuss our last pick, Topdon AD800BT OBD2 Scanner. Imagine never second-guessing a check engine light again. The Topdon AD800BT OBD2 Scanner is your ultimate car health companion, built for professional mechanics, dedicated DIYers, and anyone who refuses to pay hefty repair bills for simple diagnostics. Whether you're troubleshooting an engine issue, resetting maintenance lights, or performing advanced system scans, this scanner delivers dealer-level precision without the dealership price tag. With Bluetooth 4.0 wireless connectivity, diagnosing your car is as effortless as connecting to your smartphone. No tangled wires, no frustrating setups, just plug in, scan, and unlock deep insights into your vehicle's health from up to 33 feet away. The AutoVin feature instantly detects your car's make, model, and year, providing a comprehensive real-time diagnostic report at the touch of a button. Designed to work on 96 plus vehicle brands, the AD800BT isn't just another OBD2 scanner. It's a game changer for mechanics, garages, and car owners alike. It features 28 essential reset functions, including oil reset, ABS bleeding, injector coating, DPF regeneration, TPMS reset, and more. From clearing stubborn warning lights to optimizing engine performance, this tool ensures your car runs smoothly, efficiently, and safely. With 2 years of free software updates, a massive 64GB storage, and a user-friendly interface, the AD800BT makes diagnostics faster, smarter, and more reliable. Don't just diagnose, take control of your car's health. Upgrade your garage with the Topdon AD800BT and experience next-level vehicle diagnostics today. And that wraps it up. We've just taken you through 5 of the best OBD2 scanners that every car owner, DIY mechanic, and professional technician should have in their arsenal. Whether you need bidirectional control, full system diagnostics, real-time data streaming, or powerful reset functions, these scanners are built to save you time, money, and frustration, all while putting control back into your hands. Which one are you most excited to try out? Click the links in the description to learn more about these odometer correction tools. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite or any questions you have. And of course, hit subscribe and press the bell icon for more expert picks and reviews. Thanks for watching.